Fairfield, California is one of Solano County's most desirable cities due to its equidistant proximity from San Francisco and Sacramento, as well as its relative affordability compared to the rest of the Bay. Today I'm going to walk you through 4 of the most desirable neighborhoods of Fairfield, California. If you're thinking about making the move, this is the video for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Monroe. I'm a Bay Area realtor with RE/MAX Gold, and I specialize in Solano County. The city of Fairfield has a surprising number of neighborhoods and sub-neighborhoods, and it's actually quite difficult to try to research specific locations and what to expect from each area. Today I'm going to walk you through 4 of the most desirable neighborhoods of Fairfield based on my work with clients in the city. Green Valley is definitely one of the most desirable neighborhoods of Fairfield and one of the most complex. There's Upper Green Valley, Green Valley Highlands, Lower Green Valley. All have sub-neighborhoods and all have something unique to offer. Upper Green Valley generally consists of older homes. Many are single-story on large, expansive lots. Homes are surrounded by lush wooded areas, greenery, and have a more remote or rural feel compared to Lower Green Valley. The Green Valley Highlands are located way up on the hill on the back end of the esteemed Green Valley Country Club. Many homes have panoramic views of Green Valley, Suisun Valley, the rolling hills, and Mount Diablo. The Green Valley Highlands mostly feature larger homes that are high in value, sales ranging from $850,000 to $1.6 million this year. Some portions of the Highlands date back to the 1960s, with larger and more modern homes being built thereafter. Lower Green Valley consists of several different developments and neighborhoods, all featuring newer homes built in the early 1990s to present. This includes the Green Valley Lake community, a very desirable community surrounding a man-made lake and several amenities including a clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis court, and private trails. The Green Valley Lakes community features several different types of housing, including more affordable duet options, as well as large homes featuring 5 to 6 bedrooms. The Green Valley Lakes community is walking distance to top-rated schools, restaurants, and shopping. East Ridge is the most prestigious and exclusive gated community in Fairfield, and it's also located in Lower Green Valley. These homes range from semi-custom to fully custom, usually at least 3,000 square feet in size, and lots generally range from a ½ acre to an acre. Sales in this prestigious community are quite sparse, and in fact this year there have only been 6 recorded sales since January 2021 to present. The least expensive sale sold for $1.3 million, with the most expensive just shy of $2 million. Vintage Green Valley is also a neighborhood of Lower Green Valley and has its own 4 different sub-neighborhoods. With different eras of builders, home sizes range from 1,400 square feet up to 3,000 plus square feet. Vintage Green Valley surrounds top-rated schools, Vintage Green Valley Park, and is very popular among young families. All of Green Valley is known for its top-rated school districts, its great proximity to freeways, amazing amenities such as a world-class golf course, wineries, beautiful scenery. There's a little bit of something for everyone. Cordelia is arguably the most commutable neighborhood in Fairfield. It's tucked away right on I-80 with easy access to the 680 corridor and Highway 12. Cordelia and Green Valley share a majority of the same schools, with the exception of some elementary schools. Cordelia features a wide range of home styles to choose from, as well as several different eras of building. The Cordelia Villages is an example of a more established neighborhood built in the early 1980s, generally featuring smaller ranch-style single-story homes. A handful of homes in Cordelia Villages sold for $500,000 or just north of $500,000 this year, making it significantly more affordable than several other developments of Cordelia. Just down the street, right off of Red Top, is Cordelia's newest development called the Enclave. Most of the homes are still under construction, but feature large, expansive gourmet kitchens and the most modern finishes. Home sizes range between 1,800 square feet and 3,400 square feet, featuring both single-story and 2-story floor plans. Prices for this prestigious development have ranged from $765,000 to $965,000 just this year. If you haven't checked out my pros and cons of new construction video and you're thinking about purchasing a new construction home, be sure to inform yourself of the differences between purchasing new construction and a resale home. Another very desirable area of Cordelia, located right off of Lopes and Gold Hill Road, is the Garibaldi Ranch, often referred to as the Serenade community of Cordelia. This community also features a few different eras of building and builders, with the earliest construction beginning in 2009 and finishing up as late as 2020. Home sizes range from 2,100 square feet up to 3,400 square feet, with the exception of some smaller single-story homes. Most homes feature modern open-concept kitchens with larger islands, tall 9-foot ceilings throughout, stucco exteriors, and many of the homes have beautiful views of the rolling hills. This community, though pristine in presentation, has no HOAs and no large special assessment taxes. It does house some of Cordelia's most expensive homes, but it may allow you to stretch your monthly buck further because there's no large Mello-Roos or HOA to consider. Moving on a little further east to Paradise Valley, which is a beautiful golf course development right off of I-80 in Emmanuel campus. As with most neighborhoods, there are different eras of builders and developments, so there's a wide range of home styles to choose from. Paradise Creek is a division inside of Paradise Valley that offers more affordable housing. Paradise Creek features single-family homes, typically 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, ranging from 1,500 to about 1,700 square feet. Most of the homes have shared driveways or smaller, more manageable lots. Homes this year in Paradise Creek have sold between the low to mid 500,000s, making it the most affordable subdivision within Paradise Valley. Keep in mind there is a larger HOA. It's roughly about $203 a month and helps to cover management and all amenities. A majority of Paradise Valley features single-family homes ranging from 2,000 square feet up to 3,600 square feet. They have single-story, 2-story, and tri-level homes. Generally, they're contemporary, traditional, or Mediterranean in style. Nearly all homes have open concept kitchens, taller 9-foot ceilings. Majority of the homes feature stucco exterior and tile roofs. Paradise Valley does have a very affordable monthly HOA, typically ranging between $37 to $50 a month, that allows you access to the Paradise Valley Clubhouse, the swimming pool, there's a sports bar, a spa, and tennis courts. The newest subdivision within Paradise Valley is Paradise 360. Typically features tri-level homes that back to the beautiful rolling hills. This is a gated community. It does have a larger HOA, roughly $146 a month. It's been a very popular, again, more affordable option within Paradise Valley. Price ranges vary significantly due to the different styles of homes, eras, and subdivisions. Average price point, I would say, is around $750,000 for a larger detached single-family home. Lastly, as with all of these desirable neighborhoods, residents of Paradise Valley enjoy great access to freeways, close proximity to Solano Town Center. Trader Joe's is about 10 minutes away. They've got great restaurants on North Texas. It's a very accessible neighborhood. Moving on to our final, most desirable neighborhood of today. There are so many to choose from. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 to give you insight into all the amazing locations in Fairfield, but this one has been one of the favorites among my clients. The Goldridge neighborhood is a very well-established neighborhood right off of Peabody Road and bordering Vacaville. It's divided into Goldridge and Goldridge North. Initial construction began in Goldridge around the early 2000s, with final completion of construction in Goldridge North around 2015. Most homes in Goldridge are mid-size, between 1,800 square feet and 2,500 square feet with modest lots. Goldridge North tends to feature larger homes up to 3,800 square feet and sometimes a quarter acre of a lot. Homes sold in Goldridge this year range significantly from $500,000, which was a 1,400 single-story home, up to $905,000, which was a 3,800 square foot house. The average price point, I would say, ranges right around $660,000. One of the biggest attractions is that Goldridge is located in the Travis Unified School District, which is a very highly regarded and respected school district with ratings higher than the U.S. national average on greatschools.org. Again, location, location, location. Goldridge is very conveniently located. Residents can enjoy all the amenities that Fairfield and Vacaville have to offer. It's also very close proximity to Travis Air Force Base and the Amtrak station. In addition, Goldridge has its own private park. It's a large grassy area with picnic benches, barbecues, there's a splash pad during summer months, and a playground for the kiddos to enjoy. As I mentioned, there are so many desirable neighborhoods of Fairfield. There are more golf course communities, more gated communities. There are more affordable areas that are still highly regarded. If you haven't checked out my pros and cons video of Fairfield, I highly encourage you to do so. It's important to do your own research when considering a new city. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for part 2 of the most desirable neighborhoods of Fairfield.